Tired of seeing old clothes lying around? What if I told you they can turn into beautiful cushion covers that refresh your home decor instantly? Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create stylish DIY cushion covers using old clothes. It's budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and so simple that anyone can do it at home. By the end of this video, you'll have a fresh set of cushion covers without spending extra money at the store. Practical suggestions. First, pick old clothes that have strong fabric like shirts, jeans, or even old saris. Make sure the fabric is clean and ironed. Measure your cushion size and cut the fabric slightly bigger so you have space to stitch. Don't worry if you don't have a sewing machine, hand stitching works just as well. Tools explained in a practical way. You'll need just a few tools. Scissors for cutting the fabric neatly. Needle and thread or a sewing machine for stitching. Measuring tape or even a ruler to get the right size. Safety pins to hold the fabric in place before sewing. Quick tips: if you're using a button-down shirt, keep the buttons in front. It makes a ready-made opening for the cushion. For jeans fabric, mix and match to shades to make it look trendy. If stitching feels difficult, use fabric glue for a quick no-sew option. Cost comparison for clarity. Buying a new cushion cover from a store can cost anywhere between $5 to $20, depending on the style. But making one from old clothes is almost free. You only spend a little on thread or glue, which is less than $1. That means you save big while also recycling. And there you have it, beautiful DIY cushion covers made from old clothes. Stylish, affordable, and eco-friendly. Don't let those old clothes go to waste. Turn them into something useful today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us bring more creative and budget-friendly ideas straight to you.